Let me introduce myself. My name is Lissa. I am from the class I, Communications and Study Program, study number 418, Academic English course. So, here I will explain material about traditional shopping and online shopping. Traditional shopping. First point, social experience. Provides a social experience involving direct interaction between sellers and buyers. This creates deeper bonds and experiences. Second point, trust. Some consumers trust sellers and product more after seeing and touching the product in person. Third point, easy returns. Some consumers feel more comfortable with an isolated process in traditional shopping. Online shopping. First point, ease of accessibility. Provides the convenience of shopping from anywhere, anytime, without considering geographic limitations or stores operating hours. Second point, cost and competition. Consumers can quickly compare products and prices from various sellers, managing costs and competition. Third point, review and recommendation. Consumers can read review and recommendation from other users to make more informed processing decisions. Nah, selanjutnya ini perbedaan dari traditional shopping and online shopping. First point, comparison. Advantage of traditional shopping. Number 1, direct and social experience. Number 2, ability to test product before purchase. Second point, advantages of online shopping. Number 1, ease of access and flexible timing. Number 2, wider product selection and efficient transaction. Third point, limitation of traditional shopping. Number 1, limited by time and location. Number 2, cannot always compare price quickly. 4 point, limitation of online shopping. Number 1, inability to touch or see product directly before purchase. Number 2, lack of direct social interaction. Nah, kemudian menjelaskan tentang metode belanja online. Online shopping methods. Number 1, e-commerce website. Number 1, e-commerce websites. Number 2, mobile application. Number 3, online markets. Number 4, virtual marketplace. Number 5, social media shopping. Nah, ini contoh-contoh atau aplikasi yang bisa kita gunakan untuk belanja online. Nah, yang terakhir, metode belanja offline atau traditional. Offline shopping methods. Number 1, traditional market. Number 2, grocery stores. Number 3, flea markets. Number 4, purchase from internet vendors. Number 5, concept store or boutiques. Kayak pasar tradisional, ya yang kayak butik dan lain-lain kayak gitu. Nah, untuk slide terakhir sudah selesai. Terima kasih. Thank you.